BlazeMaster, the next generation fire protection system from Lubrizol. BlazeMaster has proven to be better than metal pipes in many ways. Now let's hear what makes it the preferred choice over metal sprinkler systems from one of the very first contractors to install BlazeMaster in India, Mr. Somdev Balguri, Managing Director of High-Tech Security Systems and one of the first contractors to install BlazeMaster CPVC pipes in India.
When compared to metal pipes, CPVC is much better. Initially, it was very hard for us to make installation of metal pipes which had taken much manpower, much material and much time duration. But right now we had got a good opportunity with CPVC pipes, which is reduce the time schedule by 60 to 70% with less manpower and good quality when compared to metal pipes. Shifting of pipes, doing the installations, any modification works in future with metal pipes, we had felt very uncomfortable. But after introducing CPVC pipes, we had felt much comfortable and with lesser time and much easier. Earlier in the metal pipes, we found it very hard. For welding, we required much clear space. But in CPVC, within the less clearance, without any skilled worker, and they can modify within the less space.
As you heard from the expert, BlazeMaster Fire Protection systems have various on-field advantages over metal pipes. They are up to 8 times lighter than metal pipes, which makes them easy to move in high-rise buildings. They reduce installation time by 60 to 70%. Unlike metal pipes, BlazeMaster CPVC do not require skilled labor or welding and are extremely easy to install or modify. All of these result in savings on installation cost and labor. BlazeMaster CPVC pipes are BIS approved and listed under UL. Choose BlazeMaster CPVC pipes over metal pipes and get various on-field advantages such as easy installation, savings on time and cost, and easy repair. To know more, call us or visit our website. BlazeMaster, the next generation fire protection system from Lubrizol.